If you're wondering how your client information is shown on your profile, it's quite simple. When a business or organization first clicks on your profile, the first things it will see are these red boxes. This helps that business understand the area of focus and expertise that your business has, along with any certifications or partnerships that you have acquired. Once they scroll down, this is truly where that business is going to begin to understand if your agency is a good fit. They will understand client sizes that you have managed, industry focus that you have the most experience and expertise in, client locations. Is your agency a local or national agency? Networking and account sizes that you have managed, and best of yet, budgeting and pricing. It allows them to understand if your agency will be within their budget. This is what makes Agency Vista so unique, is that this is verified information. It hasn't just been slapped on by this agency, but it's been verified by their clients. Once that business scrolls back up to the top of your profile, they will see multiple different tabs. Once they click on the portfolio section, this is where they will be able to see additional information about your clients. Again, your client name will be kept private unless you decide to make it public information. They will be able to see services, business size, and industry focus of each of your clients that you have added on. And remember, this is verified information, so your clients have had to confirm that you have done services. This allows that business to truly understand and know if your agency is a great fit. It helps you generate qualified leads and eliminates any wasted time for both you and that business.